Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
the
staff. Understanding of lines and intervals. So let's get started, Lina. So let's see what is staff. So what you know about the staff,
a
Lina?
staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. So as you could, I don't think you could see it. It just says
It's a white line and the black line.
So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
That's what it says.
So music is written on staff, which is composed of 5 horizontal lines and the 4 spaces between those lines. So the staff continue. So what we see in the picture here, Lina?
So like it's gonna play like a random note for like it's this note. It's playing that note. Yeah, but then on the second one down there is this note.
Okay. Yeah, so every line or space on the staff represents a white key on the keyboard, as Lina show you guys, right? So what we see next?
So now what we see is like basically all the notes, but they're all whole notes.
Whole notes, yeah. You're right.
Whole note.
Yeah.
Does that.
Yeah, and then what you see here? What are this?
I see a treble clef. That's the one that's hard to draw, like.
Like an and sign.
Yeah, like an and sign.
Yeah.
And then the bottom one is the bass clef. It looks like it's called bass, but it's actually bass.
Bass, yeah. Treble and bass.
B-A-S-S. Bass clef.
Yeah.
And then it shows like.
Yeah, so those are the notes, right? And the signs and symbols.
Oh yeah, and then I forgot to add something to the bass clef.
It has a dot design, right? As you can say. So every line or space on the staff represents a white key on the white keyboard. As you see here, there is a lots of notes.
We're not focusing on the black keys. We're focusing.
So
on
can you show us here the middle C? Middle C? Yeah.
It's right here.
High G.
High G. Wait, after. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 after 1, 2.
Yeah, and then low A.
2.
Over here, I'm going randomly.
2. Okay, 2 after 1, 2.
Yeah. Okay, so 2 clefs are normally used.
The treble and bass clef.
As you explained, right? So this is
treble
clef and this is
bass.
Yeah, it's good to remember. That's the sign of the notes. G clef.
G.
So Z clef. What you?
G.
So if it's like that, this is the G note all the time, right?
If it's always through like that dot you could see on there, it's a red dot. It's not always. There's not always a red dot on it. It's just showing there on the side. It's just showing that's where it goes.
Yeah.
But it won't be there, the red. But it won't. But it would just be like when it's starting, like when you start on this part, and then it's gonna be right there. And then after you do that.
So that's the G, and that's A. You can see here.
What?
Yeah.
That's still G.
This one.
Oh yeah, that's
yeah, it's
A.
just a little bit up, right?
Yeah, and then it goes
B, C. Yeah, so the staff line which the clef wraps around, shown in a red, is known as G, as you explained. Any note placed on this line becomes G. So G.
Where
G
do we put the next A? Where do we put the next A? I know.
Where we?
You would do that.
Why?
It's because it's called a leisure line.
Mm-hmm.
A leisure line is like middle C. Middle C has no space, well, no line for it to go on.
Mm-hmm.
That means it uses a leisure line.
Mm-hmm.
So the next A is on that. So it
add
would be
more.
like that.
Mm-hmm. So with a leisure line drawn, we can place A. So sometimes we don't have, then
and
we
then
just
it could go
add
higher.
this line. We'll call the leisure line.
Yeah, but it could go way higher than that.
Yeah, it's interesting how each and every key has its own symbols, right? So we need to practice more, Lena, right? So F clef now. So we saw G clef, A, now F.
Well, we didn't see the A clef. There is no such thing as A clef.
Really? Why? No.
Because nothing starts at the A. There's only two,
Okay.
not three.
So the line in the between the two dots of the clef is F.
Of the bass clef is
F.
Oh, I have to go down.
Mm-hmm. So as you notice here, they are the sign of the notes. Good, keep going. So grand staff. Now what is this now, Lena? Grand
The
staff.
grand staff is when you have the treble clef and the bass clef.
Mm-hmm.
Foot clef. Yeah.
Together?
Yeah, together.
Mm-hmm. Nice. So that's called the grand staff. A theoretical staff consisting of 11 lines.
11?
Yeah, 11 lines.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11! 12, 13,
Yeah,
14,
and what you
15,
see here, this one.
15.
What is this masterpiece here?
The masterpiece C!
Can you show in the keyboard where is this C? The middle C. Here you go. So yeah, as you see, it's each and every note has its own positions.
It says lowest is A. Why is A the lowest? It keeps on going. The F should be the lowest because it says F,
and then it's the high is G. There you go. Okay, so we need to practice more and more and more. And
set a practice routine. Regular practice is our key. Even 15 to 20.
Consistency is a key,
and even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Yeah, so keep on practicing. That's what our suggestion is. Yeah, make a practice diary, and then that's all for today's video.
But I think I might play a little song.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I'll play two. Yeah, two.
Okay. So let's listen to the Lena song.
Wait.
Let me guess. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oops. Okay, now a different song.
Okay. Next song. Oh, I don't know this song.
Oh, wait.
Hot cross bun? No. Nice, Lena. It's very nice. Thank you, Lena, for sharing your learning experience with us.
It's called The Breeze. I learned that in piano class.
Yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.